Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to create a Photoshop for beginner. Photoshop is a very good tool for everyone. If you guys know this, Photoshop is a already good tool for everybody. If you are new this Photoshop tutorial, then subscribe my channel. Hope you are knowing something from it and share the video. Hope you enjoy the video.